They told me I don't need to worry. Summer came alive, cinnamon, so sweet. Little girls double dutch on the concrete. Maybe sometimes we got it wrong, but it's alright. The more they seem to change, the more they stay the same. Oh, don't you think it's strange? Girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, let your hair down. Stop that faded jeans. I hope you get your dream. You go ahead, let your hair down. You're gonna find yourself somewhere, somehow. Blue as the sky, somber and lonely. Sipping tea on the bar on the roadside. Just relax, just relax. Don't you let this other voice fool you. But I love that arrow hairdo. Maybe sometimes we feel afraid, but it's alright. The more they say the same, the more they seem to change. So don't you think it's strange? Girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, let your hair down. Stop that faded jeans. I hope you get your dreams. Just go ahead, let your hair down. You're gonna find yourself somewhere, somehow. Twice more than I could say. Pity for pity's sake. Some nights they keep me awake. I thought that I was stronger. Then you're gonna realize that you don't even have to try any longer. Do what you want to. Girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, let your hair down. Stop that faded jeans. I hope you get your dreams. Just go ahead, let your hair down. Girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. Just go ahead, let your hair down. Stop that faded jeans. I hope you get your dreams. You go